Question 15 here says, how do biofertilizers enrich the fertility of soil? Okay, how do they enrich the fertility of soil? Okay, the answer to this is chemical fertilizers or pesticides are mainly costly and they are highly polluted. Now, they can be replaced by low cost and non-polluting biofertilizers and biopesticides. Biofertilizers are not only provide the required nutrition to crop but also improve soil texture. So they are not only doing one thing but they are doing the other one as well. So they provide nutrition to crop as well as improve soil texture. Now, biopesticides are target specific. Okay, biopesticides are what? Target specific. They do not disturb the ecosystem but reduce the number of pests and pathogens. And third, students, this is your answer. So 2 points for biofertilizer and 1 point for biopesticide. What? They are not harmful. They give nutrition to the plant and they will improve the soil quality. Biopesticide will be target specific and they will not disturb the ecosystem but reduce the number of pests and pathogens. So students, by this we come to an end